skip the protein powders. This natural food can help prevent muscle loss right away. And yes, it's true, you don't need expensive supplements or complex shakes to maintain strength. Today, I'm going to share something that most supplement companies would rather keep quiet. Everyday foods, simple and accessible, can help protect your muscles from breaking down. In fact, some of these foods work more quickly and effectively than anything found in a tub of powder. One of them is so effective it can begin supporting muscle repair within just 30 minutes of eating it. And the best part, it costs less than $2. Welcome to Senior Nutrition, where we skip the marketing noise and focus on real, practical advice for aging well. If you're new here, you'll soon see why so many older adults are choosing to leave behind expensive supplements and turn to simple, flavorful whole foods instead. Let's be honest, the protein powder industry makes billions by convincing people that their processed products are essential for maintaining muscle with age. But before we jump in, I'd really like to hear your thoughts. Have you ever swapped out protein powder for whole foods? Let me know your experience in the comments. I always enjoy hearing your stories. Let's start with one important point, the issue with protein powders. We're constantly shown polished ads featuring older adults drinking shakes that claim to be the secret to staying strong. But there's something most companies won't tell you. The majority of protein powders go through heavy processing. In that process, many of the natural components your body actually needs to build and repair muscle are removed. On top of that, they often contain artificial sweeteners that can upset your digestion, synthetic vitamins that your body doesn't absorb well, and isolated proteins that lack the natural elements that help protein do its job. To make matters worse, many seniors report that these powders leave them feeling bloated, gassy, or with an upset stomach. The truth is, our bodies were never designed to run on ultra-processed powders. What your body truly thrives on is real food, whole, natural options that offer more than just protein. These foods deliver a complete range of nutrients that work together to support and strengthen your muscles. The options I'm about to highlight don't just supply protein, they also include powerful compounds that help prevent muscle loss, improve how your body uses protein, reduce inflammation, and give aging muscles exactly what they need. Now let's talk about why whole foods are more effective than protein powders. One key reason is something scientists refer to as food synergy. It means the nutrients found in whole foods naturally interact in ways that supplements simply can't replicate. A scoop of powder is like listening to one instrument, while whole foods give you the full orchestra. Second, real foods come with all the co-actors, vitamins, minerals, enzymes, plant compounds that help protein do its job. Powders may add synthetic vitamins, but they're not in the natural forms or ratios your body truly recognizes. Third, the proteins found in whole foods remain in their natural form, just the way your body is built to process and use them. In contrast, protein powders are often exposed to high heat during manufacturing, which can damage their natural structure. This makes them more difficult to digest and less effective overall. Fourth, whole foods release their nutrients gradually, offering longer, lasting support for your muscles. While powders may deliver a quick burst, that effect doesn't stick around. This can be a concern for older adults who may not eat frequently throughout the day. And lastly, real food actually tastes good. That might seem like a small detail, but enjoying what you eat is one of the most important parts of building habits that last. Most people don't look forward to a chalky shake every day, but a flavorful meal packed with muscle-supporting foods, that's something you'll want to keep coming back to. Now, let's move on to the foods that actually help protect and maintain your muscle strength. First up, ricotta cheese. This is a powerful muscle-supporting food that rarely gets the attention it deserves, not cottage cheese or Greek yogurt, but specifically ricotta. It's creamy, mild texture hides a secret that makes it more effective than protein powders at protecting muscle, and it begins working within minutes. Ricotta contains the highest natural amount of whey protein of any whole food. Unlike the processed whey in powders, the whey in ricotta remains in its natural form, along with fats and minerals that help your body absorb and use it better. After eating it, the whey protein quickly enters your bloodstream, sending a fast signal to prevent muscle breakdown. Even better, ricotta is rich in leucine, providing around 3 grams per cup. Leucine is like a master switch for muscle building. The moment your blood levels go up, your muscles get the message to stop breaking down and start building back up. Ricotta also contains albumin, the same protein found in egg whites, but in a gentler, easier to digest form. Albumin has the highest efficiency of any protein, meaning your body can use nearly all of it for muscle growth. No protein powder comes close to that. On top of that, ricotta provides calcium in a special form, calcium lactate, which your body absorbs more quickly than any supplement. This calcium is vital not just for bones, but also for muscle contractions. Without enough, your muscles can't function properly, no matter how much protein you eat. And let's not forget, ricotta is naturally soft, creamy, and easy to eat. For anyone with dental issues or trouble swallowing, it's a perfect choice. It won't cause bloating or discomfort like powders often do. You can enjoy it sweet or savory mixed with honey and berries, spread on whole grain toast, or used instead of heavy cream in soups. Every serving gives your muscles fast protection while tasting like a treat, not medicine. 2. Watermelon. Now, for something surprising, the second food that fights muscle loss isn't even high in protein, it's watermelon. That sweet, refreshing summer fruit is actually one of the strongest muscle-protecting foods you can eat, and science explains why watermelon is the richest natural source of an amino acid called citrin. Your body turns citrine into arginine, which then produces nitric oxide. Don't worry about the chemistry. Here's what it means. Nitric oxide opens up your blood vessels, sending more oxygen and nutrients to your muscles while clearing away waste that causes soreness and fatigue. Studies show that eating watermelon or drinking its juice can cut muscle soreness by up to 40% and speed recovery almost in half. And this isn't just for athletes. It's even more important for older adults since circulation naturally slows with age. Watermelon also provides lots of potassium, more per wedge than a banana, which keeps muscles working properly and helps prevent cramps. On top of that, it's rich in lycopene, the antioxidant also found in tomatoes, but in higher amounts. Lycopene shields your muscle cells from damage that speeds up muscle loss as we age. Even the natural sugars in watermelon are helpful. After any activity, whether it's walking, gardening, or housework, your muscles need to refill their energy stores. The natural fruit sugars in watermelon do this perfectly, while citrine helps your muscles recover. For best results, eat watermelon about an hour before or right after activity. Before exercise, it boosts performance. After, it helps your muscles recover faster. Some people even juice the white rind, which has even more citrin. 3. Canned salmon. The third food on our list is both powerful and convenient. Canned salmon, especially wild, caught pink, or sky salmon. It may not sound glamorous, but it's one of the most complete muscle-protecting foods you can buy, and you can eat it straight from the can. A small can delivers about 25 g of complete protein. But that's just the beginning. Salmon is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, especially EPA and DHA. These healthy fats do something remarkable for older muscles. They make your muscles more sensitive to protein. That means you can build more muscle from the same amount of protein when you're getting enough omega-3. Research shows that older adults who eat omega-3 rich fish regularly lose less muscle and keep better strength than those who don't. Omega-3s also fight inflammation, creating a healthier environment for your muscles to grow. Canned salmon has another hidden benefit. The soft, edible bones inside, they're packed with calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin D, all crucial for strong muscles. The vitamin D is in the natural D3 form, the same one your body makes from sunlight, which helps muscles work properly. Plus, salmon contains azathioprine, the antioxidant that gives it that pink color. Azathioprine specifically protects muscle tissue from stress and damage, even from daily activities. And let's not forget convenience. Canned salmon requires no cooking, no cleanup, and lasts for years in the pantry. Eat it plain, mix it into salads, or mash it with avocado on toast at around $3 a can. It's cheaper than protein powders and often easier to digest, especially since the canning process softens both the protein and the bones. 4. Whole eggs. The fourth food has been debated for decades, but science is finally clear. Whole eggs, yolk included, are among the most muscle-building foods on the planet. Eating whole eggs after exercise has been shown to build about 40% more muscle than eating the same amount of protein from egg whites alone. Why? Because the yolk contains unique compounds that boost muscle protein synthesis in ways we're only beginning to understand. Eggs have the highest quality protein score of any whole food with a biological value of 100, meaning your body can use nearly all of it for muscle growth. But it's not just the protein. The yolk provides vitamin D, which supports muscle function, choline, which helps nerves communicate with muscles, and vitamin A, which is needed for protein building. Eggs also contain clusters of leucine-rich proteins that are more effective at signaling muscle growth than isolated leucine in supplements. In other words, the natural package works better than powders. Here's a tip. Eating eggs with vegetables boosts your absorption of vitamins from those veggies by up to 7 times. So a veggie omelette isn't just tasty, it's a muscle-protecting powerhouse. And about cholesterol, we now know the cholesterol in eggs is actually beneficial for most people, especially older adults. It helps your body make hormones like testosterone, which naturally decline with age and are important for maintaining muscle. 5. Kefir. The fifth food works its magic while you sleep, and it's been enjoyed for centuries in Eastern Europe. It's called kefir, a tangy fermented milk drink, and it does things for muscle health that protein powder simply can't match. Kefir has more probiotics than any other dairy product. Up to 60 different kinds of healthy bacteria and yeasts. These probiotics don't just help with digestion. They actually support muscle health through something scientists call the gut-muscle connection. A healthy gut makes compounds that reduce inflammation and help your body use protein more efficiently. The protein in kefir is already partially broken down by fermentation, so it's easier to absorb, especially for older adults with weaker digestion. This means nearly perfect protein use without the bloating or stomach upset powders often cause. What really makes kefir special is its casein content. Casein forms a gentle gel in your stomach and releases amino acids slowly for up to 7 hours. Drinking kefir before bed literally feeds your muscles all night long, preventing the breakdown that normally happens during sleep. Kefir also provides peptides that lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and boost immunity, all of which directly protect muscle health. On top of that, fermentation creates vitamin K2 in the MK7 form, which directs calcium to your muscles and bones instead of your arteries. Want to make it even better? Stir in a spoonful of ground flax seeds for extra omega-3s or blend it with berries for more antioxidants. Unlike chalky shakes, kefir is naturally refreshing and enjoyable to drink every day. 6. Black beans. The sixth food might challenge what you've heard about plant proteins, but the research is solid. Black beans are surprisingly powerful for muscle health. A cup of cooked black beans gives you about 18 grams of protein. But their real strength comes from resistant starch, a type of fiber that feeds the good bacteria in your gut. Those bacteria make butyrate, a compound proven to protect muscle and improve strength. Black beans also create what scientists call the second meal effect. In simple terms, eating them helps your muscles use protein better, not only from that meal, but also from the one after it. They prepare your body to get the most from every meal. Black beans are packed with folate, supplying over half of your daily requirement in just 1 cup. Folate is essential for creating new cells, including muscle cells, yet many older adults don't get enough. Black beans are also a great source of magnesium, a key mineral that supports numerous muscle functions, from energy production to protein synthesis. Without enough magnesium, your muscles can't use protein properly, no matter how much you consume. Additionally, black beans contain anthocyanins, the same antioxidants found in blueberries, which help protect muscles from damage and slow age-related muscle loss. The fiber in beans also helps stabilize blood sugar, preventing spikes and crashes that can harm muscle health. Number 7, beets. This next food might come as a surprise. These humble root vegetables are now recognized as some of the best foods for muscle function and strength, especially as we age. Beets are the richest natural source of dietary nitrates, which your body turns into nitric oxide. This boosts blood flow to muscles by up to 20%, delivering more oxygen and nutrients while clearing out waste. Studies show beet juice or cooked beets can improve muscle efficiency by 16%, helping you do the same activity with less fatigue and less muscle damage. Beets also contain betalains, the compounds that give them their deep red color. These natural anti-inflammatories directly target muscle inflammation, one of the main causes of age muscle loss. The natural sugars in beets are released slowly, giving steady energy for activity without the blood sugar spikes that promote muscle breakdown. They also provide betaine, which helps your body produce creatine naturally. Creatine is essential for muscle strength and energy, but our production drops as we age. Beets help restore it naturally. Eating beets before activity is especially helpful, whether it's gardening, walking, or housework. They give you more stamina and protect your muscles while you move. Number 8, sardines packed in olive oil. This final food might be the most potent of all. Sardines offer a unique combination of nutrients that no powder can match. One small can provide around 23 grams of high-quality protein with all the essential amino acids your muscles require. But that's just the start. Sardines are among the top sources of vitamin D, providing up to 70% of your daily needs in a single serving. Low vitamin D levels are closely linked to muscle weakness and accelerated muscle loss in older adults. They're also rich in omega-3 fatty acids in their natural, ready-to-use form. These fats help reduce inflammation and increase muscle cells' responsiveness to growth signals. That means the protein you consume works more effectively when combined with omega-3s from sardines. Being packed in olive oil brings an extra benefit. The healthy fats in olive oil improve the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins and help calm inflammation. Together, the fish oil and olive oil create a powerful synergy for muscle protection. Sardines are also one of the richest sources of CoQ10, a nutrient your muscle cells use to make energy. CoQ10 levels naturally drop with age, leading to fatigue. But sardines restore it in a highly absorbable form. And don't overlook the soft bones inside. They're a gentle natural source of calcium and phosphorus, 2 minerals that work hand in hand for strong muscle contractions. Unlike calcium pills, the calcium from sardine bones is easy on the stomach for a simple daily meal plan. Now let's put this all together into a practical daily plan, one that keeps your muscles strong without ever needing protein powder. Start your morning with whole eggs cooked in a little olive oil, maybe scrambled with some vegetables. This gives you complete protein, plus all the extra nutrients your muscles need to start the day strong. For a mid-morning snack, enjoy a small bowl of ricotta with fresh berries. The fast-acting whey protein in ricotta quickly protects your muscles from breaking down, while the berries add antioxidants to keep them healthy. Berries are the greatest healthy. For lunch, try a black bean salad loaded with colorful veggies and a splash of olive oil. This combination of plant-based protein, fiber, And healthy fats helps keep your muscles strong throughout the afternoon. In the afternoon, especially after activity, enjoy some watermelon. Its natural sugars replenish your energy, and the citrulline supports faster muscle recovery. It's particularly refreshing on warmer days. At dinner, have canned salmon or sardines paired with roasted beets and other vegetables. This provides complete protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and nitric oxide boosters that protect and fuel your muscles in the evening. Before bedtime, enjoy a small glass of kefir. The slow-digesting casein protein provides a steady supply of nutrients to your muscles overnight, helping to prevent the breakdown that typically occurs while you sleep. This isn't a rigid rule. Feel free to mix and match these foods in any way you prefer. The important part is variety, so your muscles receive a broad spectrum of protective nutrients throughout the week. Here's the choice you face: continue spending money on processed powders, sipping chalky shakes, dealing with bloating and digestive discomfort, and still wondering why your muscles weaken. Or switch to these 8 whole foods that not only halt muscle loss, but also bring joy back to your meals: creamy ricotta, juicy watermelon, convenient canned fish, filling eggs, probiotic-rich kefir, nourishing black beans, energizing beets, and nutrient-dense sardines. These aren't just ingredients, they're keys to maintaining your strength, independence, and quality of life. They work in harmony with your body's natural processes instead of working against them. Every meal is an opportunity to support your muscles and build lasting strength. No need for lab-made powders. Your body knows how to make the most of real food. Thanks for spending time with me today on Senior Nutrition. If this message helped you see the benefits of whole foods over supplements, please share it with someone who could use it. And let me know in the comments which of these foods you're most eager to include in your diet. Remember, whole foods will always outshine powders. Until we meet again, nourish your body, stay strong, and keep progressing. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you won't miss any upcoming content. I'd love to hear your feedback, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.